So Carlos, I want to understand. Well, I understand, but for the people watching this, why is it important? Why shouldn't I just use my personal credit for everything? Why should I even care about business credit?
All right, so you should care about business credit because one, I mean, if you're starting a business, it is a foundation of everything that you want to do. Your personal credit will take you so far, and I'm gonna give you a great example of this. I am a business owner. I have a great credit score, personal credit score. I've been able to acquire more than 65 credit cards over the past 18 months. Now, because of the amount of new open accounts that I have, I can even get new credit. And I have an 838 credit score with no increase, 12% utilization. So if you hear that without knowing the new accounts, you say, oh man, you have amazing credit. But guess what? Even today, every single day. So everything that you're going to hear today or in this channel or in this program is something that I try first. To me, I believe in what's called the law of the pitcher. Leaders go first. They step first. Like, I don't know if you guys seen the movie We Were Soldiers. The colonel,
Okay.
the first thing he says, I'll be the first one off the helicopter and I'll be the last one leaving the Vietnam. And that's what he did. And that's what I believe. Coming from the military, I believe leading from the front. Again,
Right.
and the way that you lead from the front is by doing what you're asking everybody else to do. Because otherwise, you're just taking a stroll. If you have nobody else following you, you're just taking a stroll, just a walk. It's not leading. So I mean, I love, and you're gonna hear me when I talk about things. I just drift to the military side. So reel me back in, okay?
Hey, I got you, Carlos. I got you.
Okay, so what was the question again? You see, I told you, I go back into the military.
Yeah, no, Carlos, you're good.